Welcome to the channel, friends, for QuickBooks Learning. Here we are. Uh, we will be learning the second video. It's all about QuickBooks desktop installation and how to download and install QuickBooks. So the version we talked earlier was QuickBooks Premier and Enterprise. So today we will be talking about Enterprise QuickBooks. So I have already have a link where we can go and download the QuickBooks, right? So this is the link where we can download the QuickBooks from the QuickBooks website. It creates an exe file. As you can see, this is the gray exe icon here. That's for the QuickBooks Enterprise icon. We would be installing it from there onwards. So first of all, we would be learning about QuickBooks, how to install the QuickBooks. So just pasting the download link here. Let's see how it works and what does it shows us. So it says will you be using QuickBooks desktop on multiple computers at the same time? We said no, and maybe not sure, we can say to that. So it says not sure, clicking on next. So the next page, it says it's for which country you're going to set up. You'll find three countries here: USA, Canada, or third one is United Kingdom. So you have QuickBooks there. They have their own QuickBooks. Though it's actually a part of Intuit product, but they have different flavors for different countries. So right now we are installing the QuickBooks for United States and selecting. These all are the versions of, you can see that point of sale, QuickBooks Mac Desktop, Enterprise, Accountants version, Premier and Pro. So we are installing Enterprise version, which is advanced version, as I mentioned earlier, with the cost as well. Select version, it says the version, it says is 23. So we are selecting that one and clicking on search. So next page, it says download QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise 23.0 download. So when I click on download, it says there are again two options. It's for Enterprise, for a general based, or for accountant version. So we are selecting 23 version as in general based. You can see that on left hand side bottom it has started downloading the QuickBooks. It says 8 minutes left. So we will wait for this, and once it gets download, it will show us the icon like this one. So if I'm the administrator, I'll right click on it, or maybe if I'm not the administrator, I'll right click on it and click on run as administrator, so that it will give us all the rights for installation. We will skip the video in between. We'll try to create a shorter video. It's just for the training purpose. So the window comes and it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll say yes to that. The next window is for QuickBooks 23 R1 release. Means R1 is the update for the QuickBooks. When you install an application, it asks for the updates, or it gives the regular updates from the Intuit server, but it gives or add on new features to that part. So R1 is release 1. So we are clicking on next here, so that QuickBooks will install. It is reading contents of packages. It's extracting all the files and transferring it to the C drive, where you have the program files folder of QuickBooks. This process normally takes 30 to 40 minutes for the completion. So just waiting for it. We'll try to make this video cut shorter. Squeeze it. as this software is compatible with the 40 users, like 40 people can access the QuickBooks at the same time to one data file. They can log in and you can assign tasks to them uh, accordingly, according to their uh, areas, their workflow. Means you can create 40 users. So it is asking us to, do you want to, the following file is already there, do you want to overwrite? I'll say yes to that, but we are not going to install the QuickBooks. You can see it's transferring all the data on cap files to the computer, and also it will install all the components you have it, or required components you need it to run this software. So the next window will comes up, it will ask us for the license number and product number. You can see it's you have to click on the to install it only on this computer or on the network. So we have selected this computer only, and clicking on next, and repair it. Repair is, it is asking just because we have already installed the QuickBooks. If the QuickBooks is not here in this computer, we have to reinstall it, or we have to install it as a fresh installation, right? So let it be running. It says installing QuickBooks 2023, so we have to wait for that. And once it's finished, you will see the icon at the top on the left hand side. It will look like this, and we are going, the next window will be, we have to click on this icon again, right click on it and run as administrator, or double click on it. It will open up straight away. It says welcome QuickBooks. It is asking us to run the utility of Intuit, so I'll just click on yes to that, and it will open the software for us. And it says that a component required to create PDF file. I'll say okay to that. So it will it will take the access of the Adobe software. It says who are you creating the company file for? Is it for yourself or for someone else? So as of now, I'll skip this step, and I'll click on open or restore. Means you have an option where you can open the existing file in your system. If you have a file of previous years, you can open it here and you can upgrade it. Or if you have a file, you want to create a new fresh file of new financial year, creating a new file. I'll create a new video on that part for just for the beginners, people who know or customers who know about the software. It's good for them. And this is the welcome screen. You will find it right when the QuickBooks will come up as a new company open, and the space you have it white and gray. It will give you all, or you can see all your company files here. Every time you open it, you just click on it, enter your password, and it will open up straight away. So this is the layout of the software. The first screen on the top, you have all your menus here. including your help option, and you can just close the QuickBooks once it's done from the here, or you can go it from file option and then exit QuickBooks. So this is the welcome screen, and I'll be closing the video now. I'll be ending the video as of now, and wait for the new videos to come up. Thank you for watching this video, and and please do like the video and subscribe it. Thank you for your appreciations. Thank you. You take care. Bye.